Hello everybody, today we'll do this position and stretching our legs and body. And now I will show you some exercises which help you to stretch and help you with your mobility, your body. So let's start. We will get sit in this position. Take our left leg on the floor, right go behind. After that we will take our left elbow on right leg and we take stretch in the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that we slowly go on elbows and get stretch. That must be stretch in this side. So after that try take stretch back leg stroke. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after that you can try take your leg and take it, but I will show you on my next lesson how to do that position. So take your breath, slowly breathe out and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much. I will hope that you like it, subscribe me, and if you want see another exercise you can go on my YouTube channel and there are a lot of another videos. So bye bye.